end, maybe even sooner than that, because this is cooking fast. I'm going to put this sauce in here. So this is just oil and salt for now with the fish. We can get dirty, make a little mess. Hot. This is about to be spicy. Oh my God, it's about to be spicy. Curry, Old Bay, you already know, we in Maryland. Now the curry, I love it. I love it. First of all, it's so pretty, like gold. Secondly, it has a lot of health benefits, anti-inflammatory, and it's flavorful. It smells good, and it makes your skin brighter. That's a personal. The other side is browning beautifully, but the other side only has salt. So I do want to do the seasoning again. But in addition to flipping it front and back, I'm going to also try and get the horizontal stuff. Don't be alarmed. We're cooking it. This is flavor. This is clean. It's going to soften it up. That's the secret little thing I do. I even want to add a little water. Because you get the flavor back in there. Okay, it's still broke. So that's a sauce too now. So when we eat the rice, if we want some more flavor, we can take this fish sauce and use it in it. Yes. And if you were baking this will also, you can also get a sauce from baking it too. Because all of the juices, like I said, it sucks up the water, so all of the juices would collect in the tray. So we're flipping it around to get the flavor going. This is a struggle for me. Yes. Some sauce.
Baby. Let me add some to mine.
Okay.
Praise God.
This is our homemade sauce. Ooh, oh my God. Yes.
Okay.
You want me to record you putting the fish or not?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, this is so, I'm not even slicing it. This is so good.
All right, now we can eat.
Holla, Jackson.
Oh, that's sweet.